After 3 weeks at sea, the glow of New York City proves an irresistible beacon.
Harding could see the whole skyline of New York, something probably every German dreamt of before the war.
The captain invites his crew up to the bridge to see the lights of Manhattan. But U-123 isn't here to sightsee. As they leave New York Harbor, the stern watchman spots a ship approaching from the rear.
Hardigan, he sees fully lit up against the lights of New York, a tanker, a nice large juicy tanker.
At close to 7,000 tons, British oil tanker Coimbra cruises unescorted out of New York Harbor. Captain Lieutenant Hardigan maneuvers his submarine into attack position with textbook precision.
It's part of the game of the U-boat commander to be cool, to be resolute, to be cold-blooded, at least to appear so, to create confidence within his crew.
Just 800 yards from the target,
Torpedo fire!
he launches his first torpedo. 58 seconds later, a hit. Flames lick 650 feet in the air and light up the night sky. Fueled by 65,000 barrels of oil cargo.
In fact, if anything symbolizes the total unpreparedness of the United States, it's this attack in New York Harbor.